Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Engwe X26 E-bike, a bike that promises a lot but seems to struggle with its identity. We'll cover everything from design to performance to help you decide if this is the right e-bike for you. The Engwe X26 is marketed as a versatile e-bike designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. It features a robust frame with a futuristic look, aiming to blend the convenience of an e-bike with the ruggedness of an off-road vehicle. Let's start with the design. The X26 certainly looks the part of a modern e-bike, with its angular frame and solid construction. However, it's worth noting that this bike is really heavy. At 112 pounds with both batteries, it's one of the heaviest e-bikes out there, which can be a major drawback for some users. Moving on to performance, the X26 is equipped with a powerful 1000-watt hub motor and a decent torque rating of 70 Nm. On paper, this should provide ample power for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. On the road, it handles reasonably well, but the weight becomes noticeable, especially during acceleration and when maneuvering in tight spaces. The 8-gear Shimano setup helps, but it's not enough to fully compensate for the bike's bulk. Off-road, however, is where the X26 shines a bit more. The 3-point suspension system offers a smooth ride over rough terrain, and the powerful motor helps tackle inclines and uneven surfaces. Despite its weight, it feels stable and secure. Battery life is a mixed bag. With 2 batteries totaling 29 amp-hours, you'd expect excellent range. However, real-world performance falls short of advertised numbers. The bike can manage around 50 miles on throttle-only mode, and up to 70 miles with pedal assist, which is decent but not exceptional. The bike comes with hydraulic disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power, a must for any serious e-bike. It also includes a bright bike computer that displays speed and battery information, although it lacks Bluetooth connectivity, which could have been a useful addition. One major usability issue is the weight distribution and folding mechanism. While it folds for storage, the sheer bulk of the X26 makes it awkward to handle, especially for commuting or transporting in vehicles. The lack of an adjustable seat post further limits comfort, especially for taller riders. So, should you consider the Engwe X26 e-bike? It depends on your needs. If you're looking for a sturdy off-road e-bike with a powerful motor and don't mind the weight, the X26 could be a decent choice. However, if you prioritize portability, ease of handling, or long-range commuting, you might want to look elsewhere in Engwe's lineup, like the M20 or L20 models, which offer better overall balance and usability. That wraps up our review of the Engwe X26 e-bike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.